Hello world, my name is Rafael, and I'm here to present the final project I made for the CS50 2022 cars. So first off, two disclaimers I have to give you. The first one, the program is entirely in Brazilian Portuguese, but a English version is well underway. The second disclaimer, I'm running it in a Unix environment, but a Windows version exists already. So let's run it. The name is SLS, which stands for Simple Logistical System. Since this is the first time we are executing it in this computer, we are presented with a newcomer's message. Let's press enter to continue. So here is the first account we will create. By default, SLS has two types of accounts: limited and admin. Admin has full access to all the tools. Limited has access to only a handful of them. So now we will give an username, which will be Rafael, that has 5 characters. As we can see there, a username must have between 5 and 10 characters. No spaces allowed. So if I input Rafa and 1 space, it is invalid. If I input Rafael and 1 space, invalid as well. If I only give it Rafael, no spaces, we can continue. So if I input Rafael 1, 2, 3, we can proceed. And here we must input the same password again. If I only give it Rafael, detected that the passwords are not the same. Rafael 1, 2, 3. Second newcomer's message, which is only saying that the account has been created with success. Here is the main screen of our program. In this screen, we can see all the tools being showcased. Here we can create an item, visualize an item, remove an item, edit an item, create an account, remove an account, see reports, and see the manual.
For the rest of the video, I only show the 3 different types of items we can create, such as products, employees, and providers. I also showcase the visualize tool, which can visualize all, or search. The search criteria differs depending on the item that was selected. Difference between the types of accounts, limited being only capable of visualizing items, reports, or manuals. Features such as the fact that you cannot create an account that has a username that has been previously used, or how you cannot remove the account that is currently being used. Security improvements such as case-sensitive login, and quality of life improvements such as not case-sensitive search function. And finally, the reports and manuals. The reports only showcase generic information such as how many of a given item is present at the database at that moment, and how much salary has to be paid, as well as the median price of a product. Manuals being only a quality of life improvement that have all the information you know to use SLS. My name is Rafael, and this has been SLS.